So now we will connect the 8051 board to the computer. So through this wire we have connected. We have plugged in the LCD. So this is the LCD pin plugged in. Once you connect the USB, you will see the light glowing. This is the light glowing. Now we'll see how we can burn the code in this controller and check the output. So on the computer, first you will check the device manager. So you type search, in the search type device manager and you will see this window. In this device manager, check the port, USB serial port. COM port 11 is showing here. So we have a software called as FlashMagick, using which you can burn your code in the controller. So in FlashMagick you have to check this port. COM port should be 11. If it is a mismatch, then there is no serial communication between the board and the code, and hence your experiment will not work. So make sure the COM port is 11 here, which matches the COM port on the device manager USB serial port, right? So once this is done, then on the FlashMagick you have to browse the hex file which is created by running the keel. So once you have written your code in the keel, you will generate a hex file. Now from here you have to browse that hex file. So I have already browsed the hex file. Say this is the hex file and you say open. Once the hex file is open, we say start. It will ask you to reset the device into the ISP mode now. So there is an onboard reset button. So you just have to press the onboard reset button. Once the onboard reset button is pressed, you can see this black line, which means the code is getting burned into the 8051 controller. Once this is done, the black progress bar will stop. Since this has stopped, the code is burned. Now we will check the output on the board. So on the board you will see some name flashing because the code has been written. So if you can see, there is Vivek written on the board for which the code was written, right? So if you are not able to see, it is advisable to just press the reset button and you will be able to see the output on the board. So this is a simple LCD experiment using 8051 controller. You can print anything required here.